So everybody, welcome back to yet another video. Let's see now how we can do our Fiverr projects with the help of ChatGPT. For example, in this project, this person of ours, so this is a real life project. He said that he wants a book based on these keywords. Okay, so based on this outline that he provided, I'll just copy this outline. I'll go to ChatGPT and give all the information that I have about the book. So he also told me that the genre of book is science fiction, and the tone of book is serious. So the tone is of course serious. So these are the questions that we asked in a questionnaire in the previous videos. So he's saying the tone is serious, and this is the outline of the book of my book. Okay, and I can tell, then give ChatGPT the outline of the book. Basically I have not asked of anything, but so ChatGPT understands the great outline. Here's a possible book summary based on the book. Of course we don't need a book summary, but ChatGPT goes on and creates a book summary for us. So first of all, when we tell this to ChatGPT, we can then go on and we can ask ChatGPT about to create outline for each of these chapters. So for example, I'll go and I'll copy this chapter 1, create an outline for chapter 1. So I'll press enter, and you can see that here ChatGPT will create an outline for us for chapter 1. So here you can see that it has created a lot of headings for us, and you can then go on and create all of these headings for each of these chapters. Okay, now after you have created this, you can go on and you can add more details. For example, let's say you have created all of these points, all of these outlines, and then what you want to do is copy this and write each of these topics individually and then summarize it into a book. So I'm gonna say write section A. So it will go and it will write the section A for me. Okay, so here you can see it has started writing the section A. So it is really simple to do, and if I were to show you, if I go back over here, you can see I have delivered the product. So you can go on adding information into this. So if I go over here to show you what I did, so it's difficult to find over here, but let me show you over here. So here is the document that I created. So the only thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to do it step by step first of all, and then you will be able to do it better. Okay, so if I were to show you, just wait a couple of seconds. I'm going to go here and open my Google Docs. So what I did first is, first of all, I created an outline with the help of ChatGPT. So this is the outline that ChatGPT created for introduction 1, chapter 1. So it was very small, and then chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, and chapter 5. And if I go here and see the word count, you can see the word count is 8,000. Okay, so we had 8,000 words, sorry, the word count is 8,000 characters, but 1650 words. Okay, so this was the word count, and then what I did is, this was the first thing that we did, and then I'll just copy all of these and ask ChatGPT to create it a detailed version of it, and asked it to write it in a fictional manner, in a manner how fictional book is written, etc., etc. And then with the help of these 1650 words, I then created this draft 1, and let's see how much the word count of draft 1 is. Here you can see the draft 1 that we created. It's more detailed, and it's about 2824 words. Then after creating this, I just then went on to create an entire book, and in this one I'll just go on and copy each one of these paragraphs and converted it and made it more detailed and added a few more details to it. I asked ChatGPT to consider the serious tone, and I asked ChatGPT to make it so that they are more detailed and extend, etc., etc. So basically, with the help of these 2824 words, I wrote it again in another chat. I went on and create this, and you can see over here with the word count. Let's see how much the word count of this one is. So this is 12,716 words, so it's a lot more than the previous one. So basically what we did is we kept on, if I go and I keep on adding this in ChatGPT, it will increase the word count. If I go here again, copy this and go into ChatGPT and say that write the detailed version of this paragraph and add some fictional elements, etc., etc., it will create another form which will be very more detailed, and it will help us create more and more stuff, detailed stuff, and it will increase the word count. Okay, so this is how you can create books. If it is an outline, that will be really simple. You can just go on and ask ChatGPT to create an outline for a book, and it will generate it in a single prompt. So that's it. That's how you can generate books or do any writing style, any writing that you can do with ChatGPT. So it will help you a lot when you are giving writing services on Fiverr. So do try it out and let me know. I will help you as well.